Naku po mga kababayan, sunod-sunod na yung mga nagpa-file ng impeachment complaint laban po dito sa ating Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Matatanggal na kaya ito sa kanyang posisyon? Sa magandang araw po sa atin mga kababayan, ito meron na nung po tayong breaking news, pero bago po tayo tumungo dyan, huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe po dito sa ating YouTube channel. So kapapasok lamang po ng balita mga kababayan, ito nga pong Duterte allies po ay nag-file po ng impeachment complaint laban po dito sa ating Pangulo. At bukod dyan, meron pa pong nauna, no, yung Makabayan ata, nag-file din po ng impeachment pero hindi tinanggap. So ngayon, panoorin natin itong balita na ito mga kababayan dahil panigurado, kakabahan na dito ang Malacanang, no, sa mga aksyon na nangyayari ngayon dito po sa impeachment complaint laban po sa kanya. Pakinggan po muna natin itong impeachment complaint ng Makabayan. Bakit hindi tinanggap ito?
At yun na nga, ayaw nilang tanggapin. So ang ginawa ko namin ay nag-iwan kami ng kopya doon sa opisina. And as far as the complainants are concerned, we have complied with the rules na final namin sa Secretary General ang aming complaint. At problemahin na lang po ni Secretary General when she arrives on Monday ang kanyang trabaho, ministerial work, na ito ay i-refer kaagad, i-transmit sa office ni Speaker D para ilagay sa order of business. So as far as we are concerned, we have done the necessary requirements. Hindi namin kasalanan kung absent ang inyong Secretary General. Under the Constitution, under the rules, it is enough that we submit to your office. At we expect that on Monday, this will be transmitted to the office of the Speaker, and the Speaker will transmit it to the Committee on Rules para mailagay na sa order of business.
At ito naman mga kababayan, panoorin naman natin itong impeachment complaint din po, no, ng Duterte allies laban po dito sa ating Pangulo.
Magandang hapon mga kapatid, nandito nga po tayo ngayon sa labas ng Office of the Secretary General. Nandito nga po sa Kamara at bandang alas 2 ng hapon dumating yung grupo ng mga Duterte supporters, mga kilalang kaalyado ng mga Duterte at kritiko ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos para maghain ng ikatlong impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. At makikita nga po ninyo, meron po ngayong
Ayun na, ikatlong impeachment mga kababayan, no? Hindi pa kaya matataranta dito yung Malacanang dahil sa mga sunod-sunod ng mga pagpapay.
Gawing press con, kasama nga po doon sa mga complainant ay sina former Ilocos Governor diba? Chavit Singson. Ayan din po ay andyan na sa harapan ninyo si dating Congressman Mike Defensor.
Maintindihan nangyari sa loob. Basta ko, habang natingnan, dali ako sa Ilocos Government, isintan ni Mr. Marcos. Walang makinong na project, puro project at puro siya nagsabi, maya kayo, puro pagpak at buli-buli. Tama siya sa Ilocos Government. Wala kang kamita. Puro pagpak at project na sa Ilocos Government at probinsya niya. Distrito ni Sandro, saka ni Marcos. Wala kayo makita. Kangali ko lang.
Narinig din po natin na puro palpak daw po di umano ang mga proyekto, no, na pamumuno ni Kong Sandro Marcos.
Yun ang maliwanag na nagtulog na kayo. Yun ang maliwanag na nila sa impeachment. Siya nagsabi palpak. Siya nagsabi 5,000 or 5,500 blood control project. Wala. Mag-isang pita. Yung maliwanag ang presidente.
Yung lagi sila sa nito.
Wala pa na start.
Evidence na documentado na picture.
Guys. Mike Defensor. Mike, pa-explain din yung ribbon. Impeach.
Sorry. Umaga, nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap ng mga kasama sa Makabayan Black. na banggit na sa amin na opisyal na hindi tinanggap yung kanilang impeachment complaint. Kaya kami may prepared statement na kami tungkol dito sa ginawa. Dahil na-anticipate na namin na talaga magkakaproblema. Kami po ang file namin. At katulad na nangyari, na-anticipate namin. So if I will be allowed to read the statement, to be clear, distribute na lang siguro. The refusal of the
Binahagi rin dito ni Mike Defensor yung hindi pagtanggap ng impeachment doon sa Makabayan Block.
Office of the Secretary General of the House of Representatives to accept the impeachment complaint is a clear violation of both the rules of the House and the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Under the Constitution, the House of Representatives has the sole power to initiate impeachment proceedings. The rules of the House explicitly provide a ministerial duty for the Office of the Secretary General to receive and record impeachment complaints that are duly filed. There is no discretion given to the Secretary General to reject, screen, delay, or block such filings. By refusing to accept the complaint, the office effectively usurps the constitutional authority of the House itself and denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. If I may repeat that, by refusing, it denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. Impeachment is not a political favor. It is a constitutional right. It is the only formal process through which citizens, through their representatives, can seek accountability from the highest official of the land. To block this process is not really procedural error. It is a constitutional violation, an obstruction of a lawful remedy, and a direct assault on the people's right to petition government for redress of grievances. The House of Representatives exists to serve the people, not to shield those in power from scrutiny. The rules are clear, the Constitution is clear, the duty is clear, and no office has the authority to silence the people's voice. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. If I may distribute this.
Sir,
So yan, pinaliwanag po dito ni Sir Mike Defensor yung rules ng impeachment complaint po. Ano?
question.
Nadagdag ko lang. Yung impeachment complaint is actually a people's complaint. Yun lang. So, hindi kailangan pigilan ang reklamo ng tao bayan. It's a people's complaint. It's a constitutional process na nasa constitution natin na pinoprovide para sa ating lahat.
Sino po complainant? Sir, babawi. Sino yung endorser? Sinabi na.
Our impeachment complaint passes on the ground. And bribery against culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public funds, graft and corruption, high crime. These are all embodied in our complaint against Marcos.
Ano yung offenses, sir? Offenses. Ano yung offenses?
Sa ngayon, we will go for a press conference tomorrow. Discussion details, pero sa ngayon yung statement namin.
Endorser lang, sir. Endorser.
Endorser. Kasi may endorser kami nandito. Pero siyempre, tatlo. Siyempre, nung nakita namin, nung na-report kami ng Makabayan Block, and may mga kasama tayo sa committee on rules kung sa nangyari, medyo nagulat na kami. In fact, nakita nyo ba, mali-mali yung dala namin. Pero kung ganito yung mangyari, pinapakapangit naman. Hindi maganda. Sigurado kami, yung first impeachment complaint is a scam complaint. At yung Makabayan Block, genuine complaint yun. Sinusuportahan din namin yun. Yung complaint namin is a genuine complaint, full of evidences, dapat tinanggap ng complaint.
Sir, sorry, bakit tayo nang i-divulge yung complainant?
Ayaw hindi ako mag-conclude. Pero pag-isipan mo lang pero as of now, dapat it should have been accepted people.
Sir, more or less tatlo, are there reluctant endorsers?
No, answer lang.
Sir, ilan ang complainants at sino-sino? For the record.
Can I read the complainants?
Yes, po.
Okay.
Sir, bribery, culpable violation of the Constitution. High crimes, graft and corruption. Betrayal.
In this case, entitled in the matter of impeachment of Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, Manuelito de los Reyes Luna, yours truly, Jacinto V. Paras, Ferdinand Estopacio, Michael T. Defensor, Harold Respicio, Mary Catherine Diaz Binan,
and Virgilio R. Garcia.
Is it fair to call it supporters of the Vice President? Is it fair to call supporters of the Vice President?
We are not supporters of the President.
Of the Vice President.
We are not supporters of the President, but we respect the office of the Vice President because he's the elected official of the land, second highest official of the land. We are citizens of the Philippines and we are exercising our constitutional duty to file this impeachment to question the betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, and graft and corruption and other high crimes of the incumbent President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Mga kababayan, narinig na nga po natin yung inihaing impeachment complaint na naman po dito. Pangatlong impeachment complaint laban po sa ating Pangulo. Ayan, ikaw anong opinion mo at comment nyo na lamang po dito sa baba. Maraming salamat po.